What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today, I have for you a big box good. That's right, today I want to take a look at the Kivik sofa from Ikea. It's the Pillow Red with chaise in Pillow Red Dark Blue for $8.49. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 24 customer reviews. Today, I figured we would do just a little bit of a review and a first impressions of it. We'll take a look at it through Apple AR, through Ikea Place, and let you know what I think about it. Okay, so there is our Kivik sofa. I know I said it came in dark blue, and it does come in dark blue, but for some reason, they're only showing the beige on the Ikea Place app. But yeah, this is it in beige. It actually probably presents a little bit better than the dark blue anyway. But so far, what I can tell you about this Kivik sofa is that it looks like you get some pretty nice seams running around the cushions there. And it actually looks pretty good with this tile, I have to admit. Pretty large sofa. Much larger than the sofa, the extendable sofa we reviewed the other day. Pretty decent. This is a pretty comfortable looking sofa. What I really like is the thickness of these cushions. Not sure if they are stitched to the back of the sofa or if they are removable, but usually with a sofa like this, I would assume that the pillows are removable. Not sure if this sofa, the Kivik sofa for $8.49, in beige here, I'm not sure if it comes like with storage under this chaise lounge here. As you can see, this couch is pretty much taking up the entire space here. We've got the camera set up over there to see me walking around like a goofball. What I love about augmented reality is you can sort of walk through things. So like, oh man, that is so strange, being able to just walk right through a couch. But as you can see, we've got some other chairs in the background there. Maybe we can set up like a mock living room here. Let's see maybe if we can fit in like a, let's see, they should have like an ottoman here. Kivik ottoman. We'll go ahead and set her down right there. It also has, you know, as you can tell by the weaving, there is no grain, obviously. It looks like it's weaved, so it looks like some kind of fiber. Yeah, really nice, really great quality sofa. It looks like it just kind of maybe slides together. They probably don't attach or anything. I don't know, can you imagine yourself sitting here on this beautiful chaise, or at the end of the sofa with your feet up on the ottoman here? We'll go ahead and maybe rotate it there to make it a little bit more comfortable. Also, that's a pretty good question. Does the ottoman have a storage unit? And just for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and maybe see if we can't put this table right over there. As you can see, we're drawing a circle here. Let's go ahead and see if we can fit it here. Ooh, that's large. Yeah, that's like a table in the middle of your room or something like that. There's actually plenty of space underneath for, yeah, okay, so this is not an end table. We'll go ahead and delete that. But anyways, guys, yeah, that is the Kivik sofa for $8.49 I wanted to look at Ikea. Anyways, guys, yeah, that was just the Kivik sofa in beige for $8.49 I wanted to look at Ikea through Ikea Place, through Apple AR. It looks pretty good in this living room. Looks like a very comfortable sofa with that chaise lounge and its sort of fabric material. Not sure how that will hold up over time, but my guess is that it will fare relatively well. It was an $849 sofa, not the most expensive sofa you can buy. I did see some sofas in the same collection, the Kivik collection, going for over $1,500. So that depends on if you get the leather or if you decide to stick with the fabric. Also, that was, I believe, a 4-piece or maybe a 3-piece. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little first look, first impressions of the Kivik sofa from Ikea. Because it's from Ikea, that does make it a big box good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.